All right, good morning. The SPUs are up here at 11:14. I say up here, yet we closed at around 11:18 yesterday. So we are still below where we closed yesterday. As you can see from yesterday, we closed around this 11:18 area here at 1:15. So we are below yesterday's close. We traded as low as 11:04.75 overnight. And we had one push to 11:17.75, and now we're sitting at 11:13 as we come into the open. Again, euro is bounced. Everything kind of bounced overnight. Euro's up 74 pips. We're trading 122.81. Let's keep in mind the bigger picture here. The S&P is actually right here at 11:13, flat for the year. This is about where we opened on January 4th. So we're trading around 11:13, where we closed on 129, and this is about where 2009 wrapped up. So we've had as high of 12.16, so we went up about 7, 8, 9% for the year, and now we are down that same amount and back to square for the year. So the entire day is, or rather year, has been muted, much like the last decade plus when it comes to stock markets. The bottom line here is you need to be nimble, you need to be a trader and learn the skills necessary, as the buy and hold that we saw from 1980 through 2000 is not going to be a strategy that works for you. So keep this in mind as the U.S. GDP will waver and not grow as greatly as it has over the last 2 to 3 decades. Trading is going to have to become a tool in your bag as part of asset allocation and growing your overall capital base. You've got to be able to provide alpha if you want to get the returns, because buy and hold is not going to work like it did, period. Don't listen to the touts out there on the side of the market that are selling you that program, because that's what worked for the last 2 decades will not work again. It's a different environment. Bottom line here is, again, we bounced off that 11.05. I suggested that we're going to get to that 11.03. We pretty darn near got that. We'll see if we bounce here. This 11.17 we're going to need to get over. If you get over that, you might be able to rally up to 11.30 here this morning. Still want to be short on a 2-day chart up to 11.30. If you've been short, you continue to ride it. On a 10-day look, again, you're looking at a little broader piece here. 11.75 was the high, 11.04 was the low. So right in the middle of that range again, and that's the 10-day, the 2-week trading range here that we've been in is basically 11.75 to 11.04 now. So I would be looking, again, bears are in control on a bigger picture on a 10-day chart, 5-day chart, really every time frame bears are in control. You want to be selling on the 10-day all the way up to 11.50, so define your time frame that you're trading on. On the 20-day chart, you're going back even deeper. And again, the 20-day high is right around 12.10 now. Continues to change as we go by in the days. So 12.10 to a low of 11.55 is the 20-day high to low now, as we continue to change as the days go on. So on the 20-day chart, the bears are in control all the way up to 11.51. So really nothing has changed here. 11.51 continues to be kind of that area. Again, 11.53 is the overall high to low from 12.16 to 10.55. So we're in context of all those overall highs to lows for the year. You've just got a lot going on, and let's keep it tight in there. Have a great trading day, and we'll be back at you. Any questions, call Eric, 888-201-4201.